Are you tired of hearing the same old money-making strategies? Today, I'll cover 5 powerful real-life business ideas that can help you generate income without a big investment. These ideas are based on current trends, real demand, and proven success stories. Now let's dive in. Number 1. Custom neon LED signs have exploded in popularity. From businesses to home decor and special events, everyone loves personalized LED designs. Unlike traditional neon signs, LED versions are energy efficient, customizable, and in high demand. Why is this a great business? Used in restaurants, bars, retail stores, and personal home decor. Popular for events like weddings, birthdays, and corporate branding. A trendy and stylish alternative to traditional signs. Potential profit signs sell for $100 to $500 each. Profit margins range from 40 to 60%. An online store can generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month. How to start without making the signs yourself. 1. Find a supplier. Use Alibaba, AliExpress, or direct manufacturers online. 2. Set up an online store. Sell on Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, or own website. 3. List products with high-quality images. Request sample images from suppliers. 4. Market on social media and ads. Use Instagram, Facebook, and Google Ads. 5. Process orders and dropship. Once a customer orders, forward details to the supplier, and they will ship directly to the customer. This is a dropshipping model, meaning you don't need inventory. Number 2. Airbnb is one of the biggest opportunities in real estate today. But what if I told you don't even need to own property to profit? With Airbnb Rental Arbitrage, you can rent furnished apartments from landlords and sublet them at a higher rate on Airbnb. Why is this a great business? Tourists and business travelers prefer Airbnb apartment over hotels. Demand for short-term rentals is growing rapidly. You can start with a single rental and scale up. Potential profit. Renting a place for $500 to $800 per month, but charging $100 per night can earn $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Managing multiple properties can lead to a $10,000 monthly income. How to start Airbnb Rental Arbitrage. 1. Find a rental property. Look for a furnished apartment where subleasing is allowed. 2. Negotiate with the landlord. Offer a long-term lease agreement. 3. Furnish the space if needed. Make it attractive for guests. 4. List it on Airbnb with professional photos. 5. Optimize pricing and get good reviews. With proper management, this business can generate high passive income. Number 3. Flipping items online is a simple but highly profitable way to make money. You can buy products for cheap and resell them at a higher price on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and local classified sites. Why is this a great business? Low startup cost. You can begin with just $100. You can flip almost anything: electronics, furniture, fashion, and collectibles. Works well in both local and global markets. Potential profit margins are 30 to 80% per flip. Resellers can make $500 to $5,000 per month. How to start? 1. Find underpriced items. Thrift stores, garage sales, and liquidation stores. 2. List on multiple marketplaces. eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or local online marketplace. 3. Take high-quality photos and write good descriptions. 4. Flip for a profit and reinvent the cycle. The key is finding high-demand products and selling them fast. Number 4. Pet services are a booming industry. With busy work schedules, pet owners need groomers and dog walkers to take care of their furry friends. If you love animals, this is a low-cost, high-profit business. Why is this a great business? Repeat customers mean steady income. Mobile pet grooming is in high demand. Dog walking requires almost no investment. Potential profit: dog walkers charge $20 to $30 per session. Pet grooming services range from $40 to $100 per pet. A small pet business can generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month. How to start? 1. Learn basic grooming skills. Take online courses. 2. Offer services locally. Use Facebook groups, flyers, word of mouth, and local online classified. 3. Provide at-home or mobile services. 4. Expand to dog walking and pet sitting. A fun, flexible business with great earning potential. Number 5. If you know your city's history, food scene, or hidden gems, you can become a local tour guide or experience host. Platforms like Airbnb Experiences, TripAdvisor, Trip.com allow individuals to monetize unique travel experiences. Why is this a great business? People love personalized tours over generic ones. Great for food lovers, history buffs, and adventure seekers. Earning potential is high for specialty tours. Potential profit guides charge $50 to $100 per person. A single tour can generate $2,000 to $5,000 per month. How to start? 1. Choose a niche: history, adventure, food, or city walks. 2. List your tour on Airbnb Experiences, TripAdvisor, or in similar sites. 3. Market locally with travel agencies and hotels. 4. Provide unforgettable experiences. A simple way to make money while doing something you love. So which real-life business idea excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business and money-making ideas.